Hey, what's going on, you guys? Chad Christian from CWC Technologies. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of the Peacham. This is the mouse pad, the XXL version, to see if this is something you guys would be interested in. I'll leave a link down below where you can get yours. The reason I got this is so that I can go all the way underneath my keyboard and obviously use it as my mouse pad. So that's why I got the extra large version. So let's take a look at it. Looks like it's got nice, good material, good feel to it. It's thick. The bottom is actually a rubber material, so it's much better quality than I thought. I was worried it was going to be some cheap, flimsy piece of cloth, but it's actually got a really good feel to it. And this is, as you can see, it is huge. It's going to be perfect for my needs. So again, this is the Peacham XXL Mouse Pad. I'll leave a link down below where you can get yours. And let me show you what it looks like with it set up on my desk. You can see now that I have it all set up that there's plenty of room for my keyboard and mouse. That's the Logitech Proteus 502 mouse. I'll leave a link down below where you guys can grab that. And this is the Razer Chroma Black Widow keyboard. So it has a nice mechanical clicky keys. Love it. Great combination here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.